Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add tags in Airtable, right? So basically, as we all know, Airtable doesn't have tagging, but there's a workaround, all right? As you can see here, I'm under grid view. Now, let's say, for example, we just wanted to add some tags right here, like in a field. All right, you can just easily do it by just adding some tags right here at the very end. Click on the plus sign and create a tag. All right, for example, a single line right here, name it tag. Single line text, and simply hit on create a field. All right, I'm going to delete this one. For example, I'm going to go ahead over to my Kanban right here. Now, for example, this project, I'm going to make a tag out of it. I'm just going to click on it. We can just go ahead and scroll all the way down and click on add new field to this table. All right, so I'm going to click on this project. Now I'm going to go ahead and rename it as tag or tags. Okay, make sure that it is on single line text. Under enter default value, just go ahead and type in $, as it will represent a tag. All right, hit on save. Now we have the tags right here. Say, for example, I'm going to add in $, ready to upload, just like that. And as you can see here, while we are typing, tags right here is saving as well. So once that's done, go ahead and close it. And here we have our tags. All right. When we click on it and review, we have the tag section right here. That's basically how you do it. All right. That's the only workaround. When we go back to grid view, as you can see here, we have the tags from the Kanban ready to upload. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.